Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. As you know, it was Doncaster Bonsai Experience last weekend. I thought it's about time I got the video done and get it uploaded. Sadly, it was the last one, which you would have heard about by now. It's going to be a miss. It was a great day. It was nice hooking up with all the lads. I also bought myself a few little bits while I was there. We got two of these slabs, just made out of slate. So I've got one, Scott's got one. So we're just going to do a little planting on them, see what they turn out like. I've got a 45 quid cheap pot, unglazed, for the juniper, which I brought back from Belgium last year. So that's got to go in there. Also bought a blackthorn of Mr. Tickle. The top's all dead on it, but we've got a live branch there, so with the angle change we can have that as the apex. But it needs repotting, get it into a bit better mix now as it's alive, which will have to get done pretty soon because the buds are starting to pop. What I'll do now is I'll just put a little video up of the short trees so you can have a look at them, even though you've probably all seen them by now.
When I'm working on a tree, it's a bit of a... I've already been out. This will be last show.
Is it your last one?
I'd still been in car park now.
It's a shame though, isn't it?
Look who I found. Who's there?
Hello, folks.
Ta-da, folks. So as the last one goes, it was nice to meet all the lads. There was me, Scott and Rob on the table, and we bumped into Xavier, Jason and Alex, and also Tony Tickle. So it was nice bumping into everyone. That's just a short video on the show trays. Well done to all the winners, especially Kaz for getting best in show. Well done, Kaz. My next video, I'm going to be repotting this blackthorn. I don't know what pot yet. I'll see if I've got one. But I want it out of here and into a smaller pot. And maybe some sort of angle change to where I want the dead wood and the new apex to be. So it can grow like that. So we'll get that video done on that. That's it for the end of this video. As always, thanks for watching. And if you haven't, please hit the like button. And I'll catch you in the next one. Ta-da, folks.